Palangi Show, Bulamanaka Damson, Bulamanaka, no?
Bulamanaka, everyone, taxi, minibus, carrier, or whatever transport that you are boarding this morning, even if you are walking. Even if you are making a bambakau at home. To all the hardworking mothers out there, thank you for tuning in and for always listening in Ouch Palangi Show, the Broken English Show.
I would like to say good morning to nanguniturangan na may na itutu ko baturangan na Buster.
Oh, okay.
Buat buwan bete.
Right.
Be Sani o Marika Sani boy. Tsaka naman doon ni Subanusuri mbasi na sese. And also to the dotarangan ng betengo.
Right.
Be Bentari and the family.
Right.
From Loke to Suba this morning, ni mula binangan naturangan ng bete. And namataka binangan dinday.
Big Bulamanaka to those tuning in from overseas and all those our LBBT and under the neck program. Under the what?
Under the tree.
Under the tree, Muchimoli. In Australia, very good morning to you. And also those tuning in from the village, farmhouse, and also Bentari.
Oh, good morning.
Which bus?
The Allen bus.
Allen bus?
From the Nasese bus.
Right. All the passengers that are tuning in this morning, a beautiful good morning to you. And also, the Wangamother family tuning in from Korokula and a Korokole Bukababiti. Meli Kelera Dawin, Susana, Iwasa Mama Teta, and Tuasamu. Now, okay.
Yesterday we were debating mommy and daddy. And a lot of good feedback from all those tuning in, because we are talking about reality. What is happening in our family right now?
What is mommy needing
right now?
Money.
Okay. What?
To buy the groceries.
Okay, right. How come?
What? How come? To feed the kids.
Okay.
Mommy's priority is always the kids. We don't want the kids to go hungry. We want to clothe them. We want to clothe them very nicely. Even if our clothes is like rags or torn, the kids' clothes should always be.
You said. You said. Children is hungry, eh?
Yes, when children are hungry, we feed them.
Okay, you said
the food in
you
the
feed the children.
Right.
What about if daddy hungry?
Daddy hungry, daddy too will eat.
Who feed daddy?
See?
Daddy will feed himself, but mommy will have to buy the food that money, that daddy gives.
Who misuse the fun? Mommy or daddy?
Daddy.
How come?
Because of the grog and the cigarette and the going here and going there.
What about if daddy is a passive smoker?
Right. See?
Wow. No, that doesn't count.
Okay.
What counts is when you use
but
money.
But belongs to the daddy's family.
Okay, that is your problem.
Right.
If you are a passive smoker. Because you are among those who smoke. And you are there trying to sniff the air.
No, that means that we are not misuse the money to buy that thing.
Right.
Because we are passive. We don't buy.
Okay.
You don't buy, you just what? Sniff.
No, because you said we misuse the money to buy cigarette.
Yes.
But we don't. We are not smoker.
Right. But there are other things. If you are not smoker, you are not
smoker, you are
then you loves to eat.
Loves to eat what?
Then I say, what do we eat? We eat food.
Okay. In a relationship, who is more romantic? Mom or dad?
Mommy.
Explain.
Rakingo both.
Okay, who gets jealous easily? Is it mommy or daddy? Daddy?
Mommy.
Explain.
If you see mommy.
Right, explain. I will wait for your explanation. Explain.
Mommy got an attitude of jealousy.
Okay.
Because mommy won't able to be flat all the time.
Flat like what?
What do you mean flat?
One time will become a hump on the a hump on the stomach.
Right.
That's a time you jealous of daddy.
Okay.
Explain. No, it's not true.
Okay.
It is not true.
Okay, because that's the only time you give your all.
Right.
during that pregnancy time.
Okay.
So,
Explain.
this come from that
Where
two
is
side.
this going? Okay, yeah.
Because daddy,
Right.
that's a time, because that's a trespassing line there.
Right.
Okay.
Don't overcome.
The red line.
Yeah, the red line.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
For respectation. No, ini baru korok ya.
Respectation.
Yeah. For respectation. Lain baru korok.
Kalau tu korang mic, mali kuro.
So that's where daddy is trying to find solution
Right.
for what he wants.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that means mommy
Mommy will get
more
jealous.
jealous about
Yeah,
that.
because daddy na bangkaran na puna mimboy marukina.
Kenapa? Ikut tu nak.
Naramotale mo bangarakin na daddy. Why?
Okay,
you
ma'am.
are married.
Right.
And your wife is pregnant with your child.
Right.
So you have to respect the wife.
Right.
Respect yourself. There are
We
other
respect.
solutions
We
for you.
We respect you.
Right.
Right.
But
Okay,
the feeling does not respect me.
You can.
You tell the feeling go away.
But okay.
Okay, come.
Daddy always gets jealous.
All right.
Come.
Okay, daddy.
Come.
Mine.
Because every time mommy combs her hair nicely, puts on lipstick,
Right.
and go out, daddy will shout, hey, wait,
Go out where?
come here.
Where did you
Go to do the shopping.
Right.
Go.
Enala ko menali buli-buli. Enala ko menali pick tikir to menang ni buli. Drop tikir to nang ni buli.
Right.
And all those things, lang ko menang ala sok ni bubale.
Yeah.
Daddy is there on the front door.
Right.
Where do you think you going looking like that?
Right. Lipstick.
Okay.
That is where daddy will get jealous.
All right.
All right. Coming from your side,
He
you said
doesn't
daddy
want mommy
Here.
to dress up and go out.
Right.
The question we ask the daddy,
My,
why you comb your hair? Why you beautification
Lipstick.
yourself?
Right.
Why you lipstick yourself?
right?
I'm going like that. Without, in the family, in the house, you never comb. You never lipstick yourself. Who are you go and beautify yourself?
All right.
Before you come, daddy,
Yeah.
before you enter into that relationship,
Right.
mommy has been combing,
Right.
has been applying
No wonder he's
lipstick. Yeah.
Because you are nabunin no muhuko ngo nambalat no bangkarati ko mo boys.
Siya nga. No. Di mami wuku. No. We put on makeup and everything to
Yeah.
feel good about ourselves.
All
right.
Because we are concerned of how we look. We have
Right.
to be very,
The more
very
you
aware of
beautify,
how we
the
look.
more you beautify, the more you tempted. See?
Who are we tempting?
You are tempting
Only
the opposite
tempting
one.
daddy. Daddy nga. Just daddy.
You just
We
daddy.
are only tempting daddy.
You are not only one daddy.
How many daddies?
You are representing the daddy. I would like to say good morning to the driver of taxi now turning this morning to Tawali Tamaimo from Manay Tony Tony is walking around somewhere in Subo Olami.
Right.
Good morning to you and the family from Manay Tony Tony this morning.
Usaya Bill ay armanaka. Sama tiku may botol lebu this morning. Jay
Yeah.
Moy. Bill Rambe and Mata Matai.
Yeah. That's how we live in this earth.
Yes.
Okay.
Another question.
Who says I love you more often?
No.
Mommy or daddy?
No.
No. What no?
We know say we don't say love.
Daddy always say I love you.
We don't say love.
Oh, see.
We act love.
Yeah, see?
Oh, you act it out.
You act, we act love.
Okay.
How?
Just see the hospital is full.
What hospital?
With section in the hospital.
Heavyweight.
Yan binaga tipa di magambada Litiana Mai John Kumar Mata Matai do yan
Belum
binaga
binaga.
Luciana Lesia yan binaga Juben
Iya.
Luciana Lesia? Oh, ngkor tabalan to.
Nasa? Belum naga.
Sili kami dan na sili ting goberto na wekan to mikalam.
Eh.
Tabale.
Sili mo kori.
Oh.
May dalan naman na ita series
Iya.
ni ikaw saurara do yan binaga
Belum binaga.
Make noke o saurara batagi ay
Awa
sake
mul tal to nga beta linggu be tamay lupi.
Belum naga.
Melina dale mo ba ni binaga to mo ko happy birthday turang nita
Oh, nabalem Sara turang night, nabalem Sara.
kami ni Eli ni boy nanta ke
Eh,
estate
meong bulare ya masini banua, meong bulare. Versi ini.
serayam bakin dilea.
Oh, mbula bina kami wain imbu.
Na malim sarna siya mabulimayan na mataka na kanikuha. Kaya dyan ang dabitan lang taga tuyan.
Keliliway, sa mga banu be, makelesi.
Abi,
Keliliway.
ya keliway, hindi lang sir.
Makele sirere makarua. Saya mo nimba nube. Alipat
Ya ko sa ulutangan din na.
Jealous is good, eh? In,
Yeah, it's
family.
good.
It's good. Eh?
It's good.
Because it will be like make the family strong.
It's good, it's also bad.
Okay.
It has advantage and disadvantage.
Right.
Yeah, when you're jealous, it shows that you love the other partner.
Okay.
Eh? Kaya kaya siya na singchung na jealousy, kan balik ko siya niyo.
One friend of mine, the wife
But
is
if more, then
yeah.
it can like allow you to take a life or
Right.
something like that. We have to control it.
One friend of mine told me that the wife is going to church
Yeah,
and always bake the pie.
yeah,
Always bake the
Sa-
pie. Every time go to church, they go and drink tea, bake the pie.
Yeah.
But at home, always put the biscuit.
Yeah.
okay.
Why is that? Why is some of the wife like that?
Yes, they so love to outside. Yung mura kaya masi. May wais na rusa. Ito sata pa. Like hot